Welcome to Tech Factory. Get ready to explore the latest in technology, adventure gear, and futuristic vehicles. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone looking for the next big thing in travel and living, this video has it all. Stay tuned and subscribe for more amazing. Quicab Falkenberg. Quicab Falkenberg is a groundbreaking concept in sustainable transportation. It's designed to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly and efficient urban mobility. Developed for the city of Falkenberg, this electric-powered cab service aims to reduce carbon emissions while offering a convenient alternative to traditional taxis. The vehicles are compact and agile, making them perfect for navigating busy city streets. They're designed for short-distance travel, providing an affordable and efficient way to get around. Quicab Falkenberg emphasizes both affordability and environmental responsibility. Its goal is to revolutionize public transportation by offering a green solution that benefits residents and the city's infrastructure. With its focus on sustainability and innovation, Quicab Falkenberg is setting a new standard for urban mobility. WaterNest 100 by EcoFlow Life. The WaterNest 100 is a true masterpiece of eco-friendly design. Created by renowned architect Jan Carloa, this innovative floating house redefines sustainable living. Spanning over 100 square meters, the house features a unique circular shape. It's built with recycled laminated timber and an aluminum hull, ensuring durability and eco-conscious construction. Inside, the layout is highly customizable. It includes living, dining, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom areas. Every space is thoughtfully designed to blend seamlessly with nature. Large windows and balconies offer breathtaking water views. The roof is equipped with skylights and photovoltaic panels that generate up to 4 kilowatts of energy. The WaterNest 100 is designed for rivers or calm seas. It incorporates natural microventilation and efficient air conditioning systems for a comfortable indoor environment. This floating house is 98% recyclable, making it an environmentally responsible choice. Its versatility allows it to be used as a residence, office, or even a commercial space. The WaterNest 100 is a perfect combination of elegance and sustainability. It offers a luxurious and eco-friendly living experience, floating in harmony with nature. Huami Amazfit X. The Huami Amazfit X is a sleek and innovative smartwatch from Huami. Like many smartwatches, it offers a variety of fitness and health tracking features. It can monitor your heart rate, track your sleep, count your steps, and even measure outdoor activities with built-in GPS. Whether you're running, walking, or cycling, this watch helps you stay on top of your fitness goals. The design is stylish and modern, with customizable watch faces and straps to match your personal style. Running on Amazfit OS, the Huami Amazfit X is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to receive notifications, control music, and access other smartwatch functions. Many Amazfit watches, including this one, are water-resistant and offer impressive battery life. With the Huami Amazfit X, you get a powerful combination of fitness tracking, smart features, and long-lasting performance, all in one stylish package. Xpeng Aeroht, the future of electric supercars. Meet the Xpeng Aeroht, a game-changer in the world of electric cars. This sleek supercar packs a punch with its dual electric motors, delivering a thrilling 1,024 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. It's not only about speed. The Aeroht comes with a stunning 15.6-inch touchscreen, smart AI driver assistance, and 360 degrees cameras to keep you safe and informed. With an impressive range of around 435 miles and super-fast charging, you can enjoy the drive without constantly worrying about your battery. The Xpeng Aeroht isn't just fast, it's a perfect blend of style, intelligence, and sustainability. Dive into the future of driving with this groundbreaking electric supercar. PRINOTH RAPTOR 100 and 200. The PRINOTH RAPTOR 100 is a powerful, remote-controlled carrier vehicle designed for tough jobs. When paired with the M450H mulcher, it becomes highly versatile, perfect for various applications. It can mulch brushwood and branches in rough, hard-to-reach terrain. It's also great for maintaining green spaces and performing forestry work. The Raptor 100 is ideal for working on steep slopes, up to 45 degrees, and along roadways or paths. Plus, it works on sensitive surfaces without causing unnecessary damage. The Raptor 200, also from PRINOTH, combines a compact design with impressive power. It features an ergonomic cab for comfort and is equipped with a powerful Cat C 4.4 engine. The Raptor 200 is equally effective on steep slopes and soft ground, making it a reliable choice for a variety of challenging environments. Both the Raptor 100 and 200 deliver exceptional performance in demanding conditions, offering strength, versatility, and ease of use for all your tough terrain needs. Scorpion the 5th Rod Trike. The engineers at Scorpion Trikes have developed an exciting new concept. With their innovative kit, you can convert a standard Harley-Davidson V-Rod into a trike. This kit is especially beneficial for riders with disabilities who may have difficulty controlling a two-wheeled bike. The conversion process takes only about half a day, and you can do it yourself at home. While the kit requires some additional parts, it doesn't require any modifications to the bike's frame, making the process simpler. The conversion kit is expected to be priced at around $5,000. In addition to the V-Rod kit, Scorpion will offer variations for other Harley-Davidson models like the Florida, along with accessories such as lighting kits and fenders. With this kit, you can enjoy the stability and comfort of a trike while keeping the iconic Harley-Davidson V-Rod look and feel. Wireless Charger Atmosphere Lamp. The Wireless Charger Atmosphere Lamp is a versatile, all-in-one device designed to enhance both your space and your tech. It combines a wireless charger, Bluetooth speaker, atmosphere light, and alarm clock into one sleek unit. With this lamp, you can charge your Qi-enabled devices, like smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches, without the hassle of tangled cables. Simply place your device on top, and the charging begins automatically. The built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you listen to your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks, all without any wires. It's perfect for creating a relaxing vibe or boosting your energy. The atmosphere light feature is another standout. You can choose from a range of lighting effects to set the mood. Whether you're in the mood for a calming sunset or a lively party vibe, the lamp has you covered. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or any space where you need a mix of light, sound, and convenience, the Wireless Charger Atmosphere Lamp is a stylish addition to any room. Add functionality, ambiance, and a touch of modern flair to your home with this all-in-one device. YIGOLI Alpha Series. The team at YIGOLI has made a major impact in the car wash industry. They've secured over 200 patents and their products are used by more than 18 million people. With investors like Alibaba and Goldman Sachs Asset Management backing them, YIGOLI is on a strong path to success. Their specialty is robotic car washes, and the demand for this niche technology is huge. YIGOLI has expanded its presence to 171 cities across China alone. Innovation is at the heart of their work. Last year, YIGOLI improved their car washes to be 20% cleaner and 32% more energy efficient. The new Alpha Series models are a big leap forward. They feature a high-precision system for detecting car contours, allowing the machines to clean 96% more effectively. Thanks to their compact design, these car washes can easily fit in smaller spaces, making them ideal for a variety of locations. With continuous improvements, YIGOLI's Alpha Series is setting new standards in the car wash industry. Eight-wheeled sedan Toyota. The unorthodox design. In Bandung, West Java, Indonesia, a taxi company owner has taken his passion for unique cars to new heights. He's created an 8-wheeled Toyota Vios, a vehicle that proves that even the most unorthodox ideas can become reality. At first glance, the car in the video may seem unusual, but it's a modified Toyota Vios sedan, a successor to the Toyota Tercel. What makes it stand out are the two extra sets of wheels added to the rear. The first extra set of wheels runs along the ground, much like you'd expect from a typical 6-wheeled vehicle. But the second set of wheels is mounted higher up, sitting on top of the lower wheels. This extra set serves no practical purpose other than to make the car look cool. To ensure the top set of wheels stays in contact with the lower ones, the wheels are sprung. As the car moves, friction turns the top wheels, adding to the vehicle's unique appearance. Max Plus. The Max Plus scooter from Meter Mobility makes it easy to ride, no matter the weather. Despite its compact size, it offers an impressive range of nearly 16 miles on a single charge. This scooter is built for comfort and durability. It features a strong front bumper and springs that make the ride smooth and stable. The adjustable tiller ensures a personalized fit, so you can ride comfortably. Please note, the Max Plus is not considered medical equipment. Safe operation requires good eyesight, strength, coordination, balance, and concentration. For added convenience, the Max Plus includes useful features like cup holders and a USB charging port. Its rear suspension system and upgraded pneumatic tires make it perfect for rough terrain. Priced at $1,299, the Max Plus comes with free shipping and a warranty, making it a great value for anyone seeking a reliable mobility scooter. Jet Capsule GTF, a revolutionary watercraft. Design Studio's Pier Paolo Lazzarini has crafted something truly unique, the Jet Capsule GTF. GTF stands for Gran Turismo Foil, and it's not your typical yacht. It's been dubbed a flying spaceship on water, thanks to its advanced propulsion system. At just 10 meters long, this compact yet powerful watercraft is a marvel of engineering. With an impressive power range of 880 to 1,200 horsepower, it offers multiple propulsion options, including diesel, gasoline, or even a fully electric version. The Jet Capsule GTF's twin hydrostatic transmissions give it an extra boost of power, allowing it to cruise comfortably at 35 knots. But when you push it to its limits, it can reach an estimated top speed of 60 knots, making it one of the fastest watercrafts of its kind. Built using a blend of carbon fiber and fiberglass, the GTF is not only lightweight but also durable. Inside, it offers a fully customizable interior. Whether you're using it for leisure or business, you can configure the space to suit your needs. It can accommodate up to 10 passengers for a relaxed, luxurious experience. However, if you're running a business, it can hold up to 20 passengers, making it highly versatile. This innovative yacht shows how new methods of water transportation are transforming the way we move people and goods across water. The Jet Capsule GTF is a perfect blend of style, speed, and practicality. Archaeopteryx Electro. The Archaeopteryx Electro is a revolutionary microlift sailplane. Designed for foot launching, it's versatile and performs well in different launch conditions. With its lightweight structure and low stall speed, the Archaeopteryx is easy to handle. Even in zero wind, it offers excellent maneuverability. Pilots control the aircraft with a traditional stick and rudder pedals. The flaps are used to manage the glide path and act as air brakes when needed. For added safety, it comes equipped with a ballistic parachute. Another standout feature is its quick setup time. You can rig the sailplane in just 15 minutes. Plus, it accommodates pilots of various sizes, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The latest models come with an electric motor, allowing for self-launching. This addition boosts its capabilities, although early prototypes did face some performance challenges. The Archaeopteryx Electro combines innovation, safety, and ease of use for an incredible flying experience. Urmo Board. The ultimate personal transport. Meet the Urmo Board, a revolutionary personal transport device priced at $3,000. With a weight of just 12 kilograms, this board is lightweight and easy to carry wherever you go. Learning to ride the Urmo Board is straightforward. Most people can master it in under an hour, thanks to its intuitive pressure pad and built-in gyroscope that help you balance effortlessly. This board has a top speed of 18 kilometers per hour and a range of 20 kilometers, making it perfect for navigating busy streets and crowded areas. Its powerful 500W motor can handle inclines up to 15%, which makes it ideal for hilly terrain as well. Safety is a key feature. The Urmo Board comes equipped with LED lights, helping you stay visible and safe during your rides. With its sleek and efficient design, this personal transporter offers not only a quick way to get around but also an exciting riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring your neighborhood, the Urmo Board combines convenience and thrill in a compact package.
The Envo eATV is a game changer in the electric vehicle world, perfect for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or needs a tough, reliable machine for work. This four-wheeled, innovative ride is designed to compete with traditional ATVs, but with a modern twist. It's fully electric. Powered by two strong hub motors that each deliver 1.5 kilowatts, the eATV can zip along at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. It's built to handle tough tasks too, capable of carrying up to 200 kilograms and towing as much as 350 kilograms. With a full battery, you can explore or get your work done over a range of 70 kilometers before needing to recharge. Whether you're hauling gear, tackling tough terrain, or just out for a fun ride, the Envo eATV has you covered. At $6,100, it's an investment in the future of outdoor work and play, combining the rugged reliability of an ATV with the clean, quiet power of electric technology.